not subscribed our channel, please do it.
Birds are really wonderful. We like birds. If you are a bird lover, you will enjoy this video. Today's video is about birds. The visit to WASIT wetland in Sharjah. So watch it. Now we are in wetland. We have tickets so we can explore. It looks like a forest in the desert. How this is made it is fantastic. See the small fruits in the trees. It is beautiful. Seems it is not eatable. Now we are going to see the birds. This is the entrance of the building where we can see the birds. Here are some kids play area where kids can sit. Here we can see boards about the character of the birds. Lot of pictures also there in the wall which explain the character of the birds. This board says about how the water gets to make this wetland in this desert. It is very fabulous. Daniel is very excited to see this bird. There are some small bird games which is interesting. You can see some interesting details about special birds. Kinds of birds around the globe. This is the area especially for lagoon birds. In the middle of the desert, they made a beautiful pond. The birds can live happily. The color of the birds look like a stone. It's very difficult to find out the birds. These are quite big birds. They can swim also. one bird standing in the pond. See the ducks? Very funny. See, the one is going behind of another. It is like a rally. We can see birds made nest also. Birds are very clean themselves. They are taking bath quite easily. Here's some funny activities for kids. This shows about life cycle of the birds. We can see many types of eggs from different birds. This is the tallest bird we seen today. Hope you enjoy our video today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. We can see in next video. Bye.